Welcome back, guys. Let's take a look at a ETF, ERX. Direxion Energy Bulls, 3 times levered. Caught this stock. I usually don't trade it. And I have about a handful of ETFs. I trade about 10 of them. This one caught my radar. I'm looking through different stocks here. And I'm going to keep this on radar next week. It's had an interesting move. Starting pre-market, draw this trend line down. Came out beautifully right at the $11 mark. Rode up all the way up here past 11.75. This is the 5-minute chart. And then you had a pullback, and you're saying, where's it going to pull back to? Is it just going to go back down and dump? And it held pretty good right at this 11.50 mark. And then this line I have here, this green line, is today's open. So you had a few different support areas here, plus 13 EMA, above 20 EMA. Look how hell, look at these hammer candles. That's hammering out the bottom, and it's not going through, which is great support. And then you had the run up here. It started the run. A lot of green candles as it's riding the 13 EMA. And then you had one little move here, and it got to 12.25, and then consolidated more back down, and then it hugged this 12.25 line and took off. So this was a good trade all day. We always want easier trades. Guys want to make trades difficult. I don't. And to make trades easier, who wants all that stress? So looking at this, and let's look at the 10-minute time frame. Came up. 13 EMA is so far away from this. That's really strong. When you see this further away from the moving candles, it's very strong. And then look at this hammer candle. Hammered out right at that 12.10 mark. And then it came back and rode up. And let's look at the 15-minute. 15-minute is pure strength for the bulls here. This 13 EMA riding over 20 EMA. It's not even close. And it finished really strong. The daily chart, it's had a reverse split right here back in March 24th. And it's really been hammered down since the coronavirus. Starting to work its way up slowly, though. As you can see here, it was at 6. Working back up now to 10. Right here, it was at 10 at 12.78. So, I mean, this could go to this. If it can break over 14, this can go to 16, that 20 EMA line, which would be interesting. So, just a quick video on what to look for on certain charts. If you have a strong run up and then you see the pullback, just wait for the pullback. See where it's pulling back to. You have support below on this, on today's open, and a 13 EMA and 20 EMA. You always want that. If you have that, that's great strength. They're called like armies. Like first army, second army, and third army. This is like a 3-line, 3-army stoppage there. So that's always good to look for. All right, guys. We will see you next week. Thank you. Please subscribe.